Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a full review of IPVanish VPN, one of the most well-known VPN providers on the market. I'll be testing its speed, checking out server locations, and breaking down all the features to help you decide if it's the right VPN for you. Before we get started, I've included a special discount link in the description where you can find the latest pricing and promotions for IPVanish. If you're considering a VPN, make sure to check that out to get the best deal possible. All right, let's get started. Downloading and setting up IPVanish. First things first, let's go over how to download and set up IPVanish on your device. Head over to the official website by clicking the link in the description. Once you're there, choose a subscription plan that works for you. After signing up, download the IPVanish app. It's available on Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Fire TV, and more. Installation is super simple. Just open the app, log in with your credentials, and you're good to go. To connect, you can either click the Quick Connect button for the fastest option, or manually select a server from over 100 countries. And that's it. Your connection is now secure, your data is protected, and you're ready to browse the internet safely. Now that we have IPVanish set up, let's move on to the speed test. Baseline speed test. My current internet download speed without IPVanish is 300 megabits per second, and upload speed is 80 megabits per second with 10 milliseconds ping. Now let's switch on IPVanish and connect to a nearby server for the best performance. IPVanish speed test results with server location in New York, USA. Download speed 255 megabits per second, upload speed 75 megabits per second, and 15 milliseconds ping. For downloading, about 85% of baseline speed is retained, and for uploading, about 93% of baseline speed is retained, with slight increase in ping due to encryption and rerouting. As you can see, the speeds remain strong, with only a slight increase in ping, which is expected when using a VPN. This means you can stream, game, and torrent without any major slowdowns. Features. Now let's break down some of the standout features that make IPVanish a great choice. Unlimited simultaneous connections. Most VPNs limit the number of devices you can connect at the same time, but with IPVanish, there are no restrictions. You can use it on all your devices, your phone, laptop, tablet, or even your smart TV. Large server network with over 2,400 servers in 105 countries. You'll have plenty of options for fast connections and easy access to geo-restricted content. Strong security and privacy protection. IPVanish uses 256-bit AES encryption, which is military-grade security to protect your data. It also supports multiple VPN protocols, including OpenVPN, IKEV2/IPsec, and WireGuard, giving you the best balance of security and speed. User-friendly apps. The IPVanish app is designed for both beginners and advanced users. It's available on Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Fire TV, and more, with a one-click connection option for fast and easy setup. 24/7 customer support. If you ever run into issues, IPVanish offers 24/7 live chat and email support, so you can get help anytime, anywhere. Pricing and subscription plans. Now let's talk about pricing. IPVanish offers 3 different plans depending on how long you want to subscribe. 2-year plan is best value. Essential plan for $2.19 per month. Advanced plan for $3.29 per month. Billed every 2 years and includes 30-day money-back guarantee. Yearly plan is most popular. Essential plan for $3.33 per month. Advanced plan for $4.49 per month. Billed annually and includes 30-day money-back guarantee. Monthly plan is more flexible, but pricey. Essential plan for $12.99 per month. Advanced plan for $14.99 per month. Billed every month and have no long-term commitment. What's the difference between essential and advanced plans? Essential plan includes global VPN, threat protection, and 24/7 live support. Advanced plan includes everything in Essential, plus secure browser and live drive cloud storage. If you're looking for the most cost-effective option, the 2-year plan gives you the lowest monthly price. Check the link in the description for the latest discounts and offers. Frequently asked questions. Let's go over some of the most common questions people have about IPVanish. Is IPVanish VPN good for streaming? Yes, IPVanish can unblock Netflix, BBC iPlayer, Disney Plus, and more, letting you access geo-restricted content with fast speeds and no buffering. Can I use IPVanish for torrenting? Absolutely. IPVanish supports P2P traffic on all servers and even provides a SOC 5 proxy for added privacy while torrenting. Does IPVanish keep logs? No. IPVanish has a strict no-logs policy, meaning none of your online activity is recorded or stored, ensuring complete privacy. Does IPVanish work in restricted countries like China or Russia? Since IPVanish doesn't have advanced obfuscation technology, it may not be the best choice for bypassing strict government censorship in countries like China or Russia. So, is IPVanish worth it? Fast speeds for streaming, gaming, and browsing. Strong security and privacy with military-grade encryption. A massive server network for global access. Unlimited device connections under one account. If you're looking for a reliable VPN with great performance and strong security, IPVanish is a solid choice. To try it out, check the discount link in the description for the best deal available. And don't forget, like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to the channel for more reviews, and leave a comment if you have any questions. That's it for today's review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.